Hi, this is Steve Spillman from True Potential Media, and I want to show you in this quick video how to access your Hebrew Word Study courses. And we'll do the Conversations from the Heart of God workshop because it's our newest, but you can access all the courses this way. First of all, go to HebrewWordStudy.com, HebrewWordStudy.com, and then sign in. And when you sign in, your sign-in will populate, and you'll just sign in with your email and your password, and you can click remember me if you like, and it'll come up the next time, and click the sign in button, and you'll get your dashboard. It'll say your student dashboard, and this is the Steve test. This is my test site, but it'll be whatever your name is, and you'll see my courses. It'll see your courses right here, and you'll see that it'll have maybe your most recent courses here, but you'll also see the additional pages of courses where you've got page 2 of your courses and page 3, and you've got, right now there's 17 courses on the platform, and we'll continue to put more courses on there, but we'll go to all courses. And what I want to do today is I want to show you how to sign in to the Conversations from the Heart of God workshop. And there, so it's a part there on your courses, it'll have the Conversations from the Heart of God workshop, and you just click on that. And if you have already started the course, it will take you to take you right into the video course. And you'll see the video course here, and you've got video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You get the question and answer period, and that question and answer period actually has 3 different, has 2 sessions of question and answers, and then you've got a study resources. And if you went to the workshop in Huntsville or online in April, this is that live all-day workshop that was recorded. So you've got probably 7 or probably 8 or 9 good hours of video teaching here. And to go to the first video, you just click on video 1 right here. Just click on video 1, and as soon as it loads up, that video should start playing. And you can actually push the play button.
And so what I began to see was that.
Now I want to try to show you something on your dashboard. You may have a screen like this on all your courses, that when you click on the Conversations from the Heart of God, it will take you to a landing page for that course. And if you see this landing page and you're signed in, all you'll have to do is push that resume course button right here, push the resume course button, or at the bottom of the page, you'll see this $50 regular price. If we price these separately, that's the value that would be priced at separately. Since you're included in All Access, that price is irrelevant. It's all included in your monthly subscription, and you just click on Resume Course. And when you click on Resume Course, you will get a screen like this. Select the lesson and start learning. You can just go to lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, any of those lessons, and you can click on the lesson and then click on the video, and the video will start playing. And the course.
Okay, well, as you know, I'm Chaim Ben-Torah, and I know there's a number of you who.
And the course will play through. And when the course is done, and when you've watched the entire course, it will tell you that you've completed that class. You can go back and watch it again as many times as you want, but it actually keeps track of your progress on here. And you can go straight through from course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can skip around, whatever's more comfortable to you. Hopefully that helped you to be able to get in there. If you've got any questions at all you have to do is go over here to the discussion pane over here on the left. Go over here to the discussion pane, and when you click on the discussion pane, a box will type called Start Discussion, and you can type something in there like, "Hi, great video," or "How do I work this?" or whatever your question is. And you just push the green Ask button, and there it goes. Hopefully this helped. Thank you very much for subscribing to HebrewWordStudy.com.